So, right now, let's discuss about the comments in the Julia programming language. When it comes to any sort of programming language, like in Python, C, C++, Java, whatever it may be, each and every programming language has certain sort of operations. And if you want to know whether what sort of operations are you performing, and if you want to write and if you want to title that operation, then what can we use? We can use comments. Yes, we can use comments. With the help of using comments only, we can simply mention a title. With the help of using comments only, we can simply declare or whatever it may be. So now let's perform comments for various sort of things here. So now let's begin with the hello world. We are here already. Done with the comments, and right now I'm gonna do it again. So for the purpose of mentioning hello world, you need to what you need to do is you need to mention print, and you can simply print, and you can simply mention these sort of things here. Hello Julia in that way. Okay, just a second. So that's the thing which you want to perform, and then what you need to do is you can simply mention okay, yeah. With the help of using this particular symbol, you can simply mention, and then let's mention hello here. So this is nothing but hello. If you run it, you'll get an output which is known as hello Julia. So that's the thing. So as this way, you can simply declare define the comment. You can simply define the function, what are the operations which you're doing, and that is only known as comment. So let's do another sort of things for adding. So this is nothing but adding and subtracting whatever it may be. So up to now everything is fine. Now let's try to run, and then I'll explain you whether what sort of things have been done. So if you click on the run button, what exactly happens? It will appear and it will disappear. So why it's happening in that way? So it's nothing just because of we are simply given print. So what we need to give right now is we need to mention ln. So let's mention ln for each and everything. Right, ln. Let's mention ln here, and then here let's mention the ln. And then even at here also let's mention the ln. So now if you run, you'll get all those values. It will not disappear. So here you got a hello Julia 65 minus 13 120. So the 65 is nothing but it's an addition value, and this minus 13 is nothing but it's a subtraction value, and finally we got 130. 130 is actually a multiplication. So as in this way we can perform. Now let's do another sort of things which is known as collection. So if you run it, you'll get the collect value also. So you got 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So all these values. So this is belongs to collected. So as in this way you can able to perform the comments. Now let's look at another thing which is known as variable, and now let's do that thing actually. Let's mention var. Yeah, let's define a variable. Okay, let's mention the var itself. No problem. Variable is equals to, let's mention any string value right now. Variable. Okay, here let's mention belongs to string. So as in this way you can mention, and then you can execute this with the help of using print. No need to type the entire Julia string, you can simply mention where string. And so if you run, you'll get the value Julia string as an output. Yeah, okay, okay, cool. So what we need to do is we need to remove this space, I think so, and then let's remove the space. Now let's run it. Here you got the Julia string as an output. So that's how it works. And now let's mention an int type, actually int and all such kind of types here. So here let's mention int, that's actually enough, and then that's it. So if you run it, you'll get this 600 as an output. Yeah, here you got 600 as an output. So as in the same way, let's do booleans and all such kind of things. Now if you run, you'll get the value which is known as true as an output. Again, let's look at another thing which is known as float. So this point is only known as a floating point representation value, and now let's do that actually. If you run it, you'll get the 5.5 as an output. Okay, yeah, finally you got so the first one is nothing but hello Julia, and second one is addition, third one is subtraction, fourth one is multiplication, and these are all the collection oriented things. And we got the Julia string is nothing but the string, and then 678 is actually a int type, and then true is belongs to a boolean, and then 5.5 is belongs to an float. So as in this way, whatever the operations you are performing, you can able to mention the names of that particular operation with the help of using this hash symbol. So that's about the comments. So that's it.